Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you the opening of the Uniquely Creative Advent Calendar Kit. So it comes in this nice big 12 by 12 box, and inside you can see there are two cards. One card you can use as cut aparts and greetings for your projects, and the other one is a card telling you what to do with your kit. And I'm just showing you there was packet number 1, and then it's numbered all the way through, and there are all the goodies I've got to look forward to. So I'm just going to move the big box to the side in a moment once I've opened up the parcel. So I don't know why, but I'm very carefully opening the package. Normally I'd be very eager to get in there, but I'm taking my time and doing it carefully. And it looks like day 1 is this beautiful 12 by 12 cardstock collection called Seize the Day. So I'll turn it over and I'll open it up, and we'll have a look at each of the papers inside. Just taking it out of the protective cover there, and you can see the back of that one paper is gorgeous. And I'm just going to open the pack up, and to my surprise there were these circle die cut shapes that you can cut out and use on your projects as well. The first paper has some very pretty detailing up in the top corner with the mushrooms, and then a text background all over, and a zigzag chevron-y type pattern on the back. Paper number 2 again has some of that really pretty mushroom detailing, and then pretty blues and greens brought in. It's a nice subtle colour palette for this collection. And with this paper here, we can use it as a paper, or we can fussy cut each of those elements out to use as decorations on our projects. And then you can see there's a nice plaid or check pattern on the back of that one. Then there are 2 sheets of cut aparts. Now you've got border strips, you've got small tags, you've got different size sentiment pieces on there. Lots of variety to use. It has a black and white diagonal pattern on the back. Then we have this pattern paper that has a really delicate greenery design on it. And then the back of the paper has this really nice muted green shades for a background. And the final set of papers here is set against a grey textured background with lots of text. And its backing paper is the one that has lots of different cut apart elements on the sheet again. And they, you can see, are different sizes to the other cut apart sheet. So that is a really pretty collection. And that's a really lovely way to start an advent calendar with a beautiful paper collection. Please come back tomorrow and see what's in day 2. Bye for now.